When I began the courses, I had tears in my eyes. I was terrified that I would fail. And the way that Universal presented them give me hope.
I love them all because they all go into details. Even if you have never done bookkeeping or tax prep in your life, it's so simple to learn.
I absolutely love color accounting. It broke it down, debits and credit. It was absolutely amazing. I completely loved it.
I really enjoyed the color accounting. It really clarified accounting for me. I feel like I could teach my 5-year-old nephew accounting with the little boxes, mostly because they're colorful and he'd play with them, but I think a 5-year-old would get.
Professional bookkeeping was also a great program. I finished it, I believe, last month.
I've completed the professional bookkeeping course so far, and I absolutely loved it.
It really helped me with the language and the linguistics of accounting and the words.
I can't pick a favorite. They all empowered me, and they were all simple enough that I could understand. I really enjoyed all of them.